Okay, good morning, students. I am N. Srinivasulu Gaud, lecturer in mathematics, GDC, Kalvakurti. Today is discuss about differential equation subpart, higher order linear differential equation and partial differential equation. Okay, learning objects. In this unit, you will learn the following concepts. Higher order linear differential equation. First one, method of variation of parameters, linear differential equation with non-constant coefficients. Third one, the Cauchy-Euler equations. Fourth one, Legendre's linear equations. Fifth one, Miscellaneous differential equations. Subtopic, partial differential equations, formation and solution. Next one, equation easily integrable. Last one, linear equation of first order. Linear equation. Okay, today is discuss about method of variation of parameter. Method of variation of parameter. Determine the particular integral of a second order differential equation using method of variation of parameter. A second order linear differential equation with constant coefficients is expressed as a2 d square y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus a2 y equal to q of x. Put equation 1 where a0, a1, a2 are constant coefficients and q of x is a continuous function of x. Here q of x is not equal to 0 and a2 not equal to 0. The homogeneous equation related to equation 1 is a2 d square y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus a2 y equal to 0. Put equation 2. Let y1 and y2 be two linearly independent solutions of equation 2 such that yp of x equal to u of x y1 of x plus v of x into y2 of x, where u of x yp of x equal to u of x into y1 of x plus v of x into y2 of x, where u of x comma v of x are functions of x that are to be determined. Yp is the particular integral of equation 1. Differentiate equation 3. Yp of x is equation 3. Differentiating equation 3 with respect to x, we get dyp of x equal to u, okay, into dy1 by dx plus du by dx into y1 plus v into dy2 by dx plus dv by dx into y2 is implies yp dash dyp by dx mean yp dash equal to our convenient u y1 dash plus u dash y1 plus v y2 dash plus v dash y2 is implies yp dash equal to y1 dash plus v y2 dash plus u dash y1 plus v dash y2. Differentiate equation 4 with respect to x. Differentiating equation 4 with respect to x. Yp double dash equal to u y1 double dash plus u dash y1 dash plus v y2 double dash plus v dash y2 dash plus u double dash y1 plus u dash y1 dash plus v double dash y2 plus v dash y2 dash. Equation 1 can also be written as equation 1 can also be written as a2 yp double dash plus a1 yp dash plus a0 yp equal to q of x. Substituting equation 3, 4 and 5 in equation 6, we get a into u y1 double dash plus u dash y1 dash plus v y2 double dash plus v dash y2 dash plus u double dash y1 plus u dash y1 dash plus v double dash y2 plus v dash y2 dash plus a1 into u y1 dash plus v y2 dash plus u dash y1 plus v dash y2 plus a0 into u y1 plus v y2 equal to q of x. Is implies u into a2 y double dash plus a1 y1 dash plus a0 y1 plus v into a2 y2 double dash plus a1 y2 dash plus a0 y2 plus a2 into u dash y1 dash plus v dash y2 dash plus a2 into u dash y1 plus v dash y2 plus a1 into u dash y1 plus v dash y2 equal to q of x. Put equation 7. Since y1 and y2 are the solution of equation 2, the first two parameters in equation 7 becomes 0. Therefore, a2 into u dash y1 dash plus v dash y2 dash plus a2 into u dash y1 plus v dash y2 plus a1 into u dash y1 plus v dash y2 equal to q of x. Put equation 8. Equation 8 is satisfied if the two variables u and v are taken such that u dash y1 plus v dash y2 equal to 0 and u dash y1 dash plus v dash y2 dash equal to q of x by a2. Next, continue. The solution of equation 9 can be obtained as u dash equal to integrating determinant of 0 y2 q of x by a2 y2 dash by determinant of y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash and v dash equal to y1 0 y1 dash q of x by a2 by determinant of y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash, where determinant of y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash is the Wronskian of the set y1, y2. If y1, y2 dash minus y2, y1 dash equal to 0, then q of x is linearly dependent. If y1, y2 dash minus y2, y1 dash not equal to 0, then q of x is linearly independent function. Integrating function 10 we get and u and v values and substituting the values in equation 3 we get particular integral of equation 1. Okay, this is the method of variation of parameter. This is the method of variation of parameter. This method is very important, and also we do some problems on variation of parameter. Solve d square plus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 3x e power minus 2x. Using the method of variation of parameters, given differential equation is d square plus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 3x e power minus 2x. Put equation 1. Equation 1 is a non-homogeneous linear differential equation of the form f of d into y. Equation 1 is a non-homogeneous linear differential equation of the form f of d into y equal to x. To put equation 2, comparing equation 1 and 2, we get f of d equal to d square plus 4d plus 4 and x equal to capital X equal to same as you write or x or q. Q of x equal to 3x e power minus 2x. The general solution of a non-homogeneous linear differential equation is y equal to c dot f plus p dot I. C dot f mean complementary function plus p dot I mean particular integral. Therefore, y equal to yc plus yp. The auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. F of m equal to 0. Okay, students, the auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0. That is m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0 is implies m plus 2 whole square equal to 0. We know a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, same as here a square equal to 0 is implies a into a equal to 0, same as m plus 2 into m plus 2 equal to 0. Here ab equal to 0, a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. M plus 2 equal to 0 or m plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to minus 2 or m equal to minus 2. Therefore, m1 comma m2 equal to minus 2. Therefore, roots are real numbers and equal. Hence, the complementary function is CF, that is yc equal to c1 plus c2x into e power minus 2x is implies to yc equal to c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 into x e power minus 2x. Put to equation 4. Particular integral is yp, that is yp equal to u y1 plus v y2. Put equation 5th. From equation 4, y1 equal to e power minus 2x and y2 equal to x e power minus 2x. The Wronskian of y1 y2 is w, capital W, equal to determinant of y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash equal to determinant of e power minus 2x x e power minus 2x minus 2 e power minus 2x minus 2x e power minus 2x plus e power minus 2x is implies e power minus 2x into minus 2x e power minus 2x plus e power minus 2x plus 2x e power minus 2x into e power minus 2x is implies w equal to minus 2x e power minus 4x plus e power minus 4x plus 2x e power minus 4x. Therefore, here minus 2x e power minus 4x plus 2x e power minus 4x is cancelled. Remaining term is w equal to e power minus 4x. Equations for particular integral are equations for particular integral are u dash y1 plus v dash y2 equal to 0 and u1 y1 dash plus v dash y2 dash equal to q of x by a2. Hence, u dash equal to determinant of 0 y2 q of x by a2 y2 dash by w is implies u dash equal to determinant of 0 x e power minus 2x 3x e power minus 2x by 1 minus 2x e power minus 2x plus e power minus 2x by e power minus 4x w min. Since a2 is a coefficient of d square y by dx square is implies u dash equal to 0 minus 3x square e power minus 2x e power minus 2x by e power minus 4x. Here e power minus 2x e power minus 2x e power minus 4x by e power minus 4x get cancelled. Therefore, u dash equal to 3x square minus 3x square. Similarly, v dash equal to y1 0 y1 dash q of x by a2 by w. v dash equal to determinant of e power minus 2x 0 minus 2 e power minus 2x 3x e power minus 2x by 1 by e power minus 4x. Therefore, v dash equal to 3x e power minus 4x by e power minus 4x. e power minus 4x e power minus 4x get cancelled. Therefore, v dash equal to 3x. Substituting the corresponding values in equation 5th, we get yp equal to minus x cube into e power minus 2x plus 3x square by 2 x e power minus 2x. yp equal to minus x cube e power minus 2x plus 3x cube by 2 into e power minus 2x. Therefore, yp equal to x cube e power minus 2x by 2. Substituting equations 4 and 5 in equation 3, we get y equal to c1 e power minus 2x plus c2 x e power minus 2x plus x cube by 2 e power minus 2x is implies to y equal to c1 plus c2x plus x cube by 2 e power minus 2x. Therefore, the general solution of given differential equation is y equal to c1 plus c2x plus x cube by 2 into e power minus 2x. Okay, this problem is okay, students. We discuss next to another problem. Find the particular integral of d square y by dx square plus y equal to secant x by method of variation of parameter. Solution. The given differential equation is d square y by dx square plus y equal to secant x. The above equation can be written in symbolic form as d square plus 1 into y equal to secant x. Equation 1 is a non-homogeneous linear differential equation of the form f of d into y equal to x. X means q of x. Comparing equation to equation 2, comparing equation 1 and 2, f of d equal to d square plus 1 and x equal to q of x equal to secant x. The general solution of homogeneous linear differential equation is y equal to cf plus pi, that is y equal to yc plus yp, complementary function plus particular integral. First we find complementary function. The auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0 is very important. Here f of d equal to g square plus 1, therefore m square plus 1 equal to 0, m square equal to minus 1, m equal to under root of minus 1 is implies m equal to plus or minus I. Therefore, m equal to 0 plus or minus I. The roots are complex conjugate of the form alpha plus or minus I beta. Here alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 1. Hence the complementary function is Cf equal to e power ax into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Therefore, phi c equal to e power 0x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Therefore, phi c equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. The particular integral is yp equal to u y1 plus v y2. From equation 4, particular integral is yp equal to u y1 plus v y2. From equation 4, put equation 4, y1 equal to cos x, y2 equal to sin x. The Wronskian of y1 y2 is w equal to determinant of y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. Therefore, w equal to integrating of cos x sin x minus sin x cos x is implies w equal to cos square x minus of minus sin square x. Therefore, w equal to cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. Next to continue. Equation for particular integral are u dash y1 plus v dash y2 equal to 0 and u dash y1 dash plus v dash y2 dash equal to q of x by a2, where therefore where a2 equal to coefficient of d square y by dx square, that is 1. Hence u dash equal to determinant of 0 y2 q of x by a2 y2 dash by w. V dash equal to first we complete u dash. U dash equal to determinant of 0 sin x secant x cos x by 1. U dash equal to 0 minus sin x into secant x. U dash equal to minus sin x into 1 by cos x. U dash equal to minus tan x. Integrating on both sides. Integrating of u dash dx equal to minus integrating of tan x. U dash means d by dx of du by dx. Here differentiation integration cancel. U equal to minus integrating of tan x dx mean minus log cos x. Minus into minus plus u equal to log of cos x. Same as we find v dash equal to determinant of y1 0 y1 dash q of x by a2 by w. V dash equal to determinant of cos x 0 minus sin x secant x by 1. W mean 1. V dash equal to cos x into secant x minus 0. Therefore, V dash equal to cos x into 1 by cos x. Cos x get cancelled. V dash equal to 1. Therefore, integrating of V dash dx equal to integrating of 1 dx is implies to V dash mean dv by dx. Okay, here differentiate integrating cancel. V equal to x. V equal to x. Substituting the values of u and v in equation 5th, we get yp equal to log of cos x into cos x plus x into sin x. Therefore, yp equal to cos x into log of cos x plus x sin x. Hence, the particular integral is yp equal to cos x log of cos x plus x sin x. Okay, this problem. Okay, we discuss another problem. Solve d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equal to e power x log x by the method of variation of parameter. Solution. Given differential equation is d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equal to e power x log x. Comparing the equation 1 with f of d into y equal to q of x. F of d equal to d square minus 2d plus 1 and q of x equal to e power x log x. Auxiliary equation is f of m equal to 0, that is m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Is implies to m minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 1 comma 1. Roots are real and equal. The complementary function is yc equal to c1 plus c2 x e power into e power x. Therefore, yc equal to c1 e power x plus c2 x e power x. let u equal to c1 e power x and v equal to x e power x. The particular integral is expressed as yp equal to au plus bv. au plus bv. Okay. Methods are different, same process. Yp equal to a e power x plus b x e power x. Okay, next we continue where a equal to minus integration v q by u v dash minus u dash v dx and b equal to integrating of u q by u v dash minus u dash v into dx. Consider u v dash minus u dash v equal to ex into d by dx of x e power x minus x e power x d by dx of e power x. This implies e power x into x e power x ub method, x e power x differential e power x plus x mean 1 into e power x minus x e power x minus e power x. Therefore, x e power x whole square plus e power x whole square minus x e power x square. Therefore, e power 2x. Therefore, u v dash minus u dash v equal to e power 2x. First, we find a equal to minus integrating of v mean x e power x into q e power x log x by u v dash minus u dash v mean e power 2x into dx. Here e power x e power x e power 2x, numerator and denominator cancel. Final a equal to minus integrating x log x dx. Okay, this goes to this method of this goes to formula, very important. Integrating ub u integrating v minus integrating of derivation of u into integrating of v, same as here x mean x integrating part you do and log x mean differentiation. Okay, log x minus into a equal to minus into log x into integrating of x dx minus integrating of differentiate of log x into integrating of x dx into dx. Therefore, a equal to minus log x into integrating x dx x square by 2 minus integrating of derivation of log x 1 by x integrating x dx like x square by 2 dx. Here x square x get cancel is implies x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integrating x dx is implies a equal to minus of x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integrating x dx means x square by 2. Therefore, a equal to minus x square by 2 log x plus 1 by 4 x square, 1 by 4 x square. Therefore, a equal to x square by 4 minus x square by 2 log x. Okay, same as we find b value, b equal to integrating of u e power x into q e power x log x by u v dash minus u dash v mean e power 2x dx. Okay, b equal to e power x into e power x e power 2x, numerator and denominator also e power 2x can cancel. Therefore b equal to integrating of log x dx. Okay, we know this goes to same integrating of 1 into log x dx. This also same integrating of u integrating v minus integrating of derivation of u integrating of v same as log x b equal to log x into integrating 1 dx minus integrating of differentiate of log x into integrating dx into dx. b equal to log x integrating 1 dx mean x minus integrating of differentiate log x 1 by x into integrating dx mean x, integrating x mean x dx. Therefore b equal to b equal to x log x minus 1 by x into dx. Therefore b equal to x log x minus x. Therefore b equal to x log x minus x. Substituting the corresponding values in equation 3, we get yp equal to x square by 4 minus x square by 2 log x into e power x plus x log x minus x into x e power x. Equation 4th. The general solution of equation 1 is substituting equation 2 and 4 in above equation. Therefore y equal to yc plus yp. Therefore y equal to c1 plus c2x into e power x plus x square by 4 minus x square by 2 log x into e power x plus x log x minus x into x e power x. Okay, this method is very important. Is discuss about today is discuss about the method, how to solve the method. This goes to theorem, variation of parameter, and we discuss some problems same as another problems we do. Okay, this method is very important. Essay type problems are also important. Okay, this class is over. Thank you.